and always include God in your life. Kay kung naa kita niini mga igsuon, you will reach, until you reach your old age, you will be together with your husband and wife.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host,
Good day and mabuhay!
On behalf of the Department of Hospitality and Tourism Department, we warmly welcome you to the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2nd HTM Congress and Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball Media Launching 2026. This is Laurelyn May Pobrocas.
And I am Godfrey Pipilio, and we are your hosts for today. Now, to formally start the program, may I request everyone to please stand for the invocation to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our most gracious Heavenly Father, we come to you today to praise and worship you and give you thanks for all the things you continue to provide for ourselves and our families. Father, we humbly ask for forgiveness for all the times you have offended you. Continue to guide and protect us, Lord. Bestow upon us your unending grace and healing, that we may in turn become instruments of gentleness and compassion to others. We ask all this in the name of your Son, our Lord Jesus Christ, with prayer and intercession of our Blessed Mother. Amen.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اللهم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اللهم وحد صفوفنا بين المسلمين والنصارى واللوماد إلى صراطك المستقيم اللهم امنحهم العيش بالأمن والسلامة والتنمية المستدامة في مدينة دافاو اللهم لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amoy nen manama kami gimot tolangon. Manotod kakaroson no. Si koikaw kami tokul tolangon. Huwag migtumpi to tana. Si koikaw kami bohoy to kaupianan tolangon na maotaw. Usako kapusong no. Kana akong to pabulos koy. O agbuyo koy ko. Huwag bohoy kat pabor. Kahalaan, kalinaw, to kanami. No pag-ugpo. Huwag kasabok kakoy. Oyot kalambo. Kay kuro tamana kakodin panubado ipag-ampo, kaupianan igboy no, way kakoy kong imono, way kahalaan ko lang.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you. You may now take your seats.
Before we dive into today's exciting event, I would like just to say hi to our online viewers. We are now live prestigious residence events place here in Ipunan for our media launching 2026 on our page, which is the Vinma Cagayan de Oro College Hospitality and Tourism Management. Now, to proceed, we need someone to set the tone. And we couldn't think of anyone better than someone who championed both education and a leader who continues to inspire our future individual. Please help me welcome Ma'am Asta Alisa Buburol for the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mabuhay. To our valued media partners, vloggers, exhibitors, suppliers, instructors, event leaders, organizers, and everyone who's joining us through our live stream, thank you for being here. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our media launching as we officially introduce our three exciting events: the Expo Kasaling Kasalan, the second HTM Congress, and the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our program head, Ma'am Jasmine C. Lapot, MBA HRM, CHP, CGSP, who is watching us in our live stream. To my dear colleagues who's with us right now at Garcia Residential Events Place, Ipunan, Chef Francisco Consolacion, MBA HRM, CHE, CHP, Ma'am Gerald May K. Ragmac, MSHM, Sir Rusty Jean A. Canino, MSHM, and Ma'am Danica D. Aumentado, MSHM. To our dear leaders and organizers, and the third-year Hospitality and Tourism Management of Finma Cagayan de Oro College. These events are more than gatherings. They are opportunities to connect, showcase talents, build partnerships, and celebrate the hospitality and tourism industry of Northern Mindanao. To our media partners, Ma'am and Sir, thank you for helping us share these stories and opportunities with the community. Today marks the beginning of something exciting. To our exhibitors, thank you for being part of this journey and for bringing your products, services, and passion to these events. We are grateful to have you with us as we make it happen. We invite everyone to join us, support our events, and be part of experiences that connect, inspire, and create lasting memories. Once again, welcome, and we look forward to creating meaningful and memorable experience together. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Asta.
You know what, Laura? Before we talk about the event, let's first talk about what makes all of this possible.
Yes, and you know what? MICE serves as an important drivers in the hospitality and tourism industry. It reflects steady progress towards more professional, responsible, and more globally competitive practices.
And you know what's the best part? The third-year hospitality tourism student don't just study MICE. We produce and organize it.
Yes, and speaking of producing and organizing events, that brings us to the main reason why we're all here today, in which our objective is clear: to ensure connectivity, to empower students, and to acknowledge the future hospitality and tourism professionals.
And to achieve that, we are launching 3 major events this year. First is the Expo Kasalan Kasalan 2026.
Second is the second HTM Congress 2026.
And lastly, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026.
Now to give us a brief overview and understanding of the 3 majors event, and let's call on one of the TOU 083 instructor, Ma'am Danica D. Aumentado, MSHM.
each and every one of us, to our media partners, our sponsors, as well as with our exhibitors, to my co-faculty members, as well as for those people who are watching to our live stream today. So good afternoon and mabuhay. Today, I will be discussing and giving you a brief overview with our three major events. But before that, let's watch the this year's Expo Kasaling Kasaling theme. Kindly reveal it, please.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Reach out, touch what was once just in your imagination.
Okay. So that will be the theme of this year's Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026. So with that, um, we give you the journey of love across all season. We present to you the bloom, the beauty of spring, summer, fall, and winter. With that, I'll be giving you the overview of the Expo Kasaling Kasalan, HTM Congress, and the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball that will be happening on September 28, 29, and 30 at Limkit Kai Atrium as well as in Rotonda. So with that, these events or three major events will be organized by our third year hospitality and tourism management students. We are not just focusing on honing our student in a four-cornered room, but we also expose them into something that they will really experience a real-world scenario. Here in FINMA COC, we are honing competitive professionals where somehow they will be ready in their future careers. Nga ilang gisulod, no? So with that, first, we have the Expo Kasaling Kasalan. This year's theme will be four season. We bring you the beauty of spring, summer, fall, and winter all in one amazing place, filled with style, creativity, and romance inspired by nature's best scenes. So next, the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026 will be happening on September 28, 29, and 30. That will be a 3-day event. So, a premier wedding exposition that aims to showcase the diverse products and services of wedding suppliers and event professionals from across Northern Mindanao. This is also our way to reach out to the community to expose our suppliers and wedding coordinators here in Northern Mindanao. With the help of the student organizers, they will be organizing the exposition. Next with that, one of the main highlights of Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026 is the Kasalang Bayan. So one of most meaningful highlights is the mass wedding ceremony for 22 unprivileged couples from Cagayan de Oro City. So, made possible through the generosity and collaboration of our partners and sponsors. We already chosen our 22 couples and will be revealed later on by our student leaders. Next is the HTM Congress 2026 that will be happening on September 29 and 30, 2026. So with the theme of empowering hospitality and tourism professionals through global competence and sustainable development, so this regional gathering unites student educators and industry professionals to explore trends, leadership, innovations, sustainability, and industry collaboration. So we invited some of our industry professionals, came from a five-star hotels, as well as our tourism and hospitality sectors. Lastly, we have the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball. So Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026 will be happening on September 29. And then it is a Thanksgiving and recognition event honoring sponsors, exhibitors, suppliers, and partner for their valuable support and contributions to the success of event. This is also a way for our suppliers, our sponsors to collaborate and also to socialize. So these three major events will be organized by our third-year hospitality and tourism management students of FINMA Cagayan de Oro College. And also with that, it is guided by the instructors from our department also. So I think that's it. Thank you so much.
Wow! How could you imagine organizing and handling an event with a theme of 4 seasons, right, partner? Yes, 3 events with one vision: to grow the industry, to support the community, and of course, to shape the future professional individuals.
Truly a challenging event this year, but I know kaya-kaya ni. Heads up, without these people, we will not be able to make this event possible and be successful. Presenting the organizing committee and event leaders for this year's events.
Let's give a round of applause for the event leaders and organizing committees of the 3 major events in this year's 2026.
We have the event head Starlet Pabualan together with assistant head Zaira Francis Impit and the EKK logistic head Jason Hilwa for the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026.
A round of applause, please. Next, for the second HTM Congress 2026, we have the event head Rona Alde together with the assistant head Shania Pasco.
And now for the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026, we have the assistant head RJM Bukod together with the secretary Donita Bersabal and the layout head Dennis Lee Pamot. A round of applause, please.
And let's all welcome the overall head of the Expo Kasaling Kasalan Second HTM Congress and Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026. We have Mr. Leonard Pongos together with the assistant head Dominic Bernaldez. A round of applause, please. You may now take your seat, leaders. Thank you so much.
Lord, it's often said that it takes a village to build something meaningful.
Yes, and as we move forward in preparing for Expo Kasaling Kasalan, Second HTM Congress, and Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026, we are deeply honored to be supported by such an exceptional community.
We would like to request to please stand when we mention your media outlets. Now, we would like to begin by recognizing our media partners. Your platforms will play a vital role in amplifying our message, informing the public, and building anticipation with the events ahead. First, we have Win Radio. DXCC Arman Studio. Bombo Radio Studio. Brigada News FM Studio.
Mindanao Daily News. K5 News FM Studio. Strong Radio Studio. 99.1 IFM News. Magnum Radio. Next to our vloggers, we have Kendot Travels. Shy Talks and Travels. And finally, to our exhibitors, thank you for your commitment to showcase innovation, excellence, and the best of Mindanao talents at our upcoming events. First, we have the PMC Bridal Gallery, the Manor Event Center, Wedding Essentials, Reyes Pavilion, Kapihan Gidli, Snapbox Studio, Diary Events, Soundstorm Audio and Visual, Bilyamara Events, Z Pastries, Toast and Tales,
Misty's Event Organizing Services. Forkins Event Center. The Guardian of Apple Events. A&A Creations. L&J Event Services. Shellos Event Services. LR Productions. KDA Wedding and Event Services. Higuera Events. Maricha Wedding and Organizing Services. RC Drift Cafe. Domans Classic Cars and Shop Rentals. Thank you so much for your commitment and effort for being here. To all our media partners and exhibitors and vloggers, thank you for being a part of this journey with us.
And now, at this moment, we will now proceed to the most important and exciting part of our program, the press briefing for our three major events launching this September 28, 29, and 30 in this year's 2026.
The briefing aims to provide you with clear information on the vision, plans, and key details of Expo Kasaling Kasalan, 2nd HTM Congress, and the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026.
And to give you all the details, we now turn the floor over to our event leaders.
First, we have Starlet Tabualan, the event leader of Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026.
Hello.
afternoon, everyone, especially to our media outlets, vloggers, exhibitors, faculty and staff, and to my co-leaders. Good afternoon and mabuhay. So first thing, before I proceed to the introduction of Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026, let me introduce again myself. I am Starlet Alpabualan, the overall head of this year Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026, together with my assistant head, Zaire Francis Himpit, and our logistic head, Jason Helwa. So I know some of you has an idea na po kung unsa ning ang Expo Kasaling Kasalan. So I just give you a brief introduction what is Expo Kasaling Kasalan is. So Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026 brings together the couples, soon to be partners, the wedding suppliers, coordinators, or entertainment providers. So this is also one of the opportunity for those couples na nga nagplan nga magpakasal or need og mga coordinators. So on the day's event, they can ask for inquiries, ask for questions kung unsay mga needs nila in order for them na maka-make sa inanang event po. And next, for our key highlight for this Expo Kasaling Kasalan is the mass wedding event ceremony of the 22 underprivileged couples in Cagayan de Oro City. And introducing our four-season theme this year, the four concept. We're having a four concept this year, which is the spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So for our program highlights, for the day one, we'll be having a motorcade from Finma COC to Lamketkay Center. Next is after arriving sa Lamketkay, we also officially opening the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026. And then after that, in the afternoon, we're having a success story by the A&A Creations, and also supplier features our resource speakers. We have Mr. Bibo Sejolga, Jinkai's Artistry, Mr. Mon Valmoria, Getting Hitch Studio by Landy, and Mr. Ayan Nuwer. And for our day 2, the celebration, so day 2 is daghan dyan mahitabo ani also kay diri the exhibitor spotlight, the expo moment. So a lot of inquiries, a lot of customers each booth yun kay diri nga time maka-ask ang mga couples kung unsay mga needs nila. And then for the afternoon program is we're having a wedding fashion runway. So this time, ang mga exhibitors nato, mga wedding suppliers, they can showcase their wedding gowns, wedding suits, and their wardrobes po. And after our wedding fashion runway, we'll be also having the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball. So the head of the Suppliers Ball will explain further regarding on this event po. And for our day 3, the last day of the event, so diri na po atong kasalan, the most awaited kasalan ng bayan po. So in 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the preparation, the daghang gyud siya preparation po, which is nag-start sa church kung mga wedding essentials, i-prepare nila dito, and then diri na po ang mga preparations sa mga organizers nga dapat organize ang tanan po. So, after the wedding, nanay grand parade po sa couples, which is around 10 to 10:30 a.m. So, kini siya, ang among parade karon po is we're having a mozzarella parade po. So, we're, mozzarella for this year is because we are supporting and showcasing the local services in Cagayan de Oro City. So, after the parade, we're having the reception na pod sa Lamketkay Rotonda. After that, after the reception area is we're having the awarding na po sa mga suppliers, the exhibitors. And after that is we'll be unveiling na pod sa among team next year, the 2027 team po. And next, we're having the community dance. So now, let me introduce to you the 24 exhibitors for this year Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026.
each exhibitors has a unique expertise, quality services, and we are honored to have some of our exhibitors with us today po. Let me present to you Gigaras Events, Mesa Events and Organizing Services, Jera Events, KDA Wedding and Event Services, Four Kings Event Center, ANA Creations, Shallows Event Center, Villamara Event, LA Creative Organizing Services, Snapback Photo Booth Studio, Ella J Events Planning Services, Reyes Pavilion, Kapihan Gidli Toes and Tails Mobile Bar, PMC Bridal Gallery, Dimanor Event Center, the Garden of Apple Event Center, Wedding Essentials by Glad, LR Production and Events, Maricha's Wedding and Special Events, Ziz Pastries, Soundstorm Audio and Visual, RC Jeep Cafe, and Duman's Car Rental Services. So next, this is the floor plan of our exhibitors this year po. So I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our exhibitors, especially those exhibitors nga continue nga support sa amo po this Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026. And also I would also to thank the new exhibitors this year. Welcome sa Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026 po. And now, this is most awaiting part of this event po, which is the unveiling of the 22 couples po. So, let me have the brief lang introduction sa mga qualifications nilang pag-select na mo sa ilaha. So, basically, the qualification on this is kanang mga underprivileged couple nga dili gid sila kaya nga mapakasalang sa ilaha po. So kami jud mismo ang nagkuan sila nag-select kung sa mga qualified couple. So and then dapat pod bonified sila sa Cagayan de Oro City and must be 20 years old above, and then the combined household also will be 10,000 po. 10,000 pesos po. So introducing the in additional po in our prenup shoot is we divided our couples into four groups with different concept. So it has a spring, summer, autumn, and winter to incorporate our theme for this year. So let me introduce to you the spring couples. Miss Chanchan Amante Raagas, Miss Mikael Banyas Aurelio, Miss Regine Pactanan Dalama, Mr. Gustin J. Revela Diamante, Mr. Mary Jane T. Generalao, Miss Rustom B. Rocamara, Miss Jacqueline C. Espanueva, Mr. Gilbert J. Gacos, Miss Ameline O. Mabunay, Mr. Rex J. L. Balutik, and next our summer couples. Miss Mary Chris L. Camel Honayon, Mr. Ariel Aranya Agdon, Miss Mary Ann Jill K. Cameros, Mr. Ryan M. Villahermosa, Miss Nova Angelica N. Golacinda, Miss Samuel A. Kagalitan Jr., Miss Clarice Pamisa, Miss John Mark Hoxon, Miss Chanimi Obatay, Miss Jomari Dadole Domingo. And now let's proceed to our autumn couples. First, we have Miss Marceline Olata, Mr. Jason Ofianga, Miss Ana Jane Caballero, Miss James Labiano Jr., Miss Shanami S. De Maisip, Mr. Jonathan A. Akain Jr., Miss Laurabeth Y. Sauru, Mr. Ian C. Canonio, Miss Leia V. Tagines, Mr. John Michael C. Basarza, Mr. Rochelle Daling Lareta, Mr. Kenny A. Lanyasa. And for our winter couples, we have Miss Jojel G. Paharon, Mr. Leomar C. Yake, Miss Aprilin Yabanyas Almario, Mr. Brilio Shan Janis, Miss Cheradel Rodas Casiris, Mr. Harold Kim Malubay Rapeza, Mr. Kimberly Jean Yapak Bakog, Mr. Christian Kakolba Dadang, Miss Gracelyn Sobretodo, Mr. Eliakim Pamero, Miss Daisy B. Bagolbol, and Mr. Robert Jan C. Bacolanta. And those are the 22 couples that have given the opportunities to be part of the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026. And for a social media campaign to help this Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026, a wide loan and mass wedding event, we do encourage our media partners, vloggers, exhibitors, and guests to share and promote the event across social media platforms po. And for the official hashtags, hashtag Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026, hashtag Four Seasons of Love, hashtag AKK 2026, and hashtag Finma COC HTM. So as we move forward, with your support, let us make this year's Four Season of Love a memorable and a successful event. Once again, I am Starlet Alpabalan, the overall head of the Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2026. Thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Ms. Babualan. Next, I give you the floor to the Assistant Leader for the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026, RJ Bukud.
Good afternoon, everyone, especially to the presence of our media outlets, exhibitors, faculty, to my co-leaders, to the vloggers, and also to our viewers online. Mabuhay, good afternoon. Once again, I am RJ Bukod, together with me, my co-leaders, Ms. Donita Rose Percival and Mr. Daines Pamot. Today, may I please present to you one of the upcoming highlights of the events, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026. The Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball 2026 will be held at Limkit Kai Atrium, Cagayan de Oro City, on September 29, the second day of AKK, on 2026. And what is the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball? The Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball is an annual gathering or an appreciation created to recognize and value our honored customers, I mean our exhibitors, partners, and sponsors and suppliers who continuously contribute to the event's success. And NMSB is more than just a formal celebration. It is our way of appreciation through their hard work, dedication, and continued support. Through this event, we want to bring together the people behind the products, services, and experiences that help make every event possible. The evening will feature a formal program, recognition and appreciation of our partners, exhibitors, faculty, and sponsors. Most importantly, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball is a celebration of partnership, trust, and the people who work together behind the scenes to make memorable events possible. We look forward to welcoming our exhibitors, partners, sponsors to this special occasion. This is the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball dedicated to the people behind the scenes who make every event successful possible. And may I present to you for the dress code sa atoang Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball. For the women's dress code, we followed for the theme of this year's 2026, which is the Four Season, as well as for the men's dress code. Okay. And aside from the dress code, we also have a DJ after party. May I present to you DJ RB Banaag. He is EDM PH and Rave PH Best DJ in CDO in 2026, MGSD ULA DJ of the Year in 2016, Funkiest DJ of the Year in 2016. At the same time, he is an Alpha Theta Philippines brand ambassador. And aside from that, we have a special guest for Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball. And now, we come to one of the most exciting moments of our program. Our special guest is someone who has captured the hearts of Filipinos through her incredible humor, entertaining personality, and unforgettable content. She is not only a talented comedian, but also one of the most followed vloggers here in the Philippines. making people laugh and bringing joy to millions of viewers. Her energy, authenticity, and unique style have made her a beloved personality both online and on stage. We are truly honored to have her to add more laughter and excitement to this special celebration. This is also her first ever guesting here in CDO. So, Northern Mindanao, are you ready? Okay. So, let's welcome the one and only Madi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bukod. And of course, we couldn't call it a three major event without this event. Let's have Rona Alde, the event leader for the second HTM Congress 2026.
Good afternoon, everyone, and mabuhay. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our instructors, Mr. Rusty Jean A. Canino, MSHM, Ms. Gerald May K. Ragmac, MSHM, Ms. Danica D. Aumentado, MSHM, and Ms. Asta Alisa Boborol, and to our supportive instructor, Chef Kiko, and to our program head, faculty staff, who are joining us through our live stream, media partners, vloggers, exhibitors, suppliers, and sponsors, co-organizers, and of course, everyone who is watching us online today. Thank you for being here, for sharing these meaningful moments with us. So the second Hospitality and Tourism Congress 2026 will be held on September 29 and 30, 2026 at Lemkit Kai Atrium. So with this year's theme, Empowering Hospitality and Tourism Professionals through Global Competence and Sustainable Development, the Congress aims to prepare and inspire the next generation of hospitality and tourism professionals. But before we look ahead, let us first go back to where it all began. So the HTM Congress was first began last year with the support of Mr. Rusty Jean A. Canino and headed by Mr. Aldris C.J. Tagaan. It brought together hospitality and tourism management students from across northern Mindanao and create a platform for learning, networking, and collaboration and innovation. More importantly, it promoted leadership, excellence, and sustainable practices among future hospitality and tourism professionals. And as we continue this journey, let us take a closer look at the symbol that represented the beginning. The logo was designed to represent the three essential pillars of our field: hospitality, tourism, and management. So the H represents hospitality, with the building and hotel symbolizing accommodation, service, and great care. The T represents tourism, where the road and airplane symbolize travel, exploration, and global connection. And the M represents management, symbolized by the luggage, representing our students' readiness and the skills, knowledge, and tools that they need as future professionals. The colors also carry meaning. The green represents growth, learning, and sustainability, while yellow represents optimism and the bright future for our emerging industry leaders. Overall, the logo represents the unity of hospitality, tourism, and management working together towards leadership, innovation, and progress. And now, from the beginning, we move forward to a bigger vision. This year, we forward with a stronger purpose and a broader vision. Our team empowering and hospitality and tourism professionals through global competence and sustainable development. But what does this team really mean? So empowering means developing confident, capable, and future-ready professionals. Global competence means preparing our students with the skills, knowledge, and perspectives they need to thrive in an interconnected global industry. Sustainable development means promoting responsible tourism and hospitality practices that create positive impacts on people, communities, the economy, and the environment. This year's Congress will be held on September 29, 30, 2026 at the Atrium Lembitkay Center, Cagayan de Oro City. From building connection in 2025, we now move forward to 2026 to develop globally competent professionals who will help lead the industry towards a more sustainable future. And to bring this vision to life, we have prepared 3 key topics that reflects the challenges and opportunities of our industry today. So we have three key topics. The first is sustainable and responsible tourism development. This will explore how tourism can continue to grow while protecting our communities, culture, and environment. The second topic is service excellence and innovation in tourism and hospitality. This focuses on how innovation and exceptional service can create memorable experiences while strengthening industry competitiveness. Our third topic is global competence and leadership in hospitality. This aims to develop future-ready professionals equipped with global perspectives, leadership skills, and the confidence to succeed in the industry. To make this conversation more meaningful, we are bringing speakers from renowned hospitality establishments and key leaders from the tourism sector. And speaking of the people who will bring these topics to life, let us now meet our main speakers. So for the sustainable and responsible tourism development, Ms. Maria Cristina G. Aquino, the Assistant Secretary of the Department of Tourism Philippines, for the topic Service Excellence and Innovation in Tourism and Hospitality, Ms. Ferlin A. Di Casa, Cluster Director of Events of Dalsitani Hotel and Resorts. For our third topic, Global Competence and Leadership in Hospitality, Ms. Hannah Cristina Tiongso, CHRA, CHRP, People Management and Development Manager of Savoy Hotel, Mactan, Newtown. Our speakers will not only discuss the trends and challenges facing the industry today, but will also inspire our students to become more competent, innovative, responsible, and future-ready professionals. These are the voices that will help shape the conversation at the HTM Congress 2026. But the learning does not stop on the stage. So this year, we're also introducing an exhibit featuring travel agency, hotels, and partnered offices, creating an opportunity for students and participants to connect directly with the industry partners. First, the Department of Tourism Region 10, Uniquely Miss Or Misamis Oriental Tourism, City Tourism Office, Elcris Travel and Tours, Lemcom Travel, Airtime Travel Express, and Ultra Winds. Through this exhibit, our participants will have the opportunity to discover hospitality and tourism brands, learn more about industry opportunities, explore services and innovation and build valuable professional connection. To our travel agencies and hotel and tourism-related organizations in Northern Mindanao, we invite you to become part of this existing initiative and showcase your brand, service, products, and opportunity to the next generation of hospitality and tourism professionals. And finally, to all schools and colleges and universities across Northern Mindanao, we warmly invite you to be part of this gathering and come and join us as we learn, connect, collaborate, and grow together as one hospitality and tourism community. Once again, we invite you all to the Second Hospitality and Tourism Congress 2026 with a team empowering hospitality and tourism professionals through global competence and sustainable development. On September 29 and 30 at the Atrium Limkit Kai Center, Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Alde. Now, these events wouldn't be possible without these people, of course. Now, to proceed, the leaders are now ready to entertain questions and inquiries regarding the discussed three major events, which is the Expo Kasaling Kasalan, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Mall 2026, and the second HDM Congress 2026. Leaders, take it away.
Hi, good afternoon to the panelists, the school leaders, and say also FENMA. Nasad ko sa FENMA karon but nana sa masters. Oo. Anyway, first is congratulations no at your young age. Kaya na ninyo niyo mo compete na kayo mo sa mga Manila nga mga event organizer nga ganhi sa Cagayan de Oro, which is naraman day mo diri, so why man magkuha pag Manila. Anyway, na ano lang ko kay nganong well-organized inyong food, inyong event, inyong makita ma-observe na mo nga well-professional na kayo even though na pa mo sa third year college. So ready na mo. But first question is here in Expo. Kabalutan na like you, Gen Z, kay kami millennials man mi. Ang Gen Z daw sa study karon sa PSA and other countries like US, dili sila ganan magpakasal. Gina-delayed lang sa daw nila. Gusto lang sila sa live-in, maraga getting to know each other ba? Now, how to convince sa mga Gen Z to magpakasal? Ani nga event, ma-invite niyo sila, and you prepared na ba regarding sa package? Kaya we know, like kung ako magpakasal, dadto na ko less hassle. So, nadaba mo may mga package nga ma-offer sa possible clients within that day.
Lolo. Thank you kasi mo ang kanang pangutan na ma'am no. Katong pinaka ng mga pangutan na ma'am kung unsaon na mo pag motivate sa mga kabatanunan karong panahon na ma'am nga kanang magpakasal. Ang kaning matag-usa sa toa ma'am kabalot nga magpakasal kay dili jud siya kanang dali, dili siya ingon nga 100, 1,000 lang ang gastos. So, apan maggahin jud kag taas ka panahon, ma'am, aron maimo na siyang makuha. So, unsa na mo pag-motivate ang mga kabatanunan para magpakasal, ma'am? Karon ma'am, mga sa tinuod na to nga pagkasulti, ma'am, atong kabatanunan, ma'am, dili ka pareha sa una nga unahon jud ang kanang kasal, ma'am. Ang kabatanunan karon, ma'am, is kasagaran or dagan sa atong kabatanunan nga is nanay anak. So, para sa ako, ma'am, nindot jud, mas nindot jud kung makasal sila, ma'am, kay para ma-feel jud sa ilahang mga bata nga ang ilahang mama o papa ma'am is naghinigmaay jud. Pero kanang nga butanga ma'am is kanang mo na siyang amo ang purpose ma'am nganong naami Expo Kasaling Kasalan ma'am para ang mga nag-live-in na nga dugay nga panahon ma'am is matagana po sa oportunidad para kanang magpakasal po. Then katong pangutan ma'am is nanabatay mga package tungod aning Expo Kasaling Kasalan ma'am. Tungod aning Expo Kasaling Kasalan ma'am, dagan natag na ilhan nga mga exhibitors ma'am nga ga-offer o kanang mga nindot nga packages ma'am nga makatabang sa to ang mga nagplano nga magpakasal aron ma-less hassle ang ilahang pag-ating manog ang ilahang pag-prepare ma'am. So di sa kagayon ma'am, especially sa mo ang mga kanang partners and exhibitors ma'am is makahatag jud sila og mas nindot nga offer para sa to ang mga couples para kanang ang ilahang damgo ma'am is mahimo jud siya ang kanang matinuod jud po. Thank you ma'am.
And to add ma'am, ang usa gyud sa mga focus sa organizers na nahimo na mong basis sa mga couples is dili mga batanon. To clarify lang basin sa itong mga viewers, ingnon nila nga atong gi-encourage ang atong mga batanon.
Mga legal age.
Oo. Atong i-clarify, ang usa sa mo yung basis is katong dugay nagapuyo, nga wala pa nakasal, mga underprivileged, kay kabalot ta, at this economy nato sa Pilipinas karon lisod kayo magpakasal. Gasto kaayo. And na-experience ko na namo karon nga mga organizers, ug unsa di ay ka-hassle, unsa di ay ka-gasto ang magpakasal. So, dito gyud gisala pagsugod gyud na mo posting sa mga qualifications daghan gyud kayo ang ning apply. So amo pag yun siyang gisala down to these 22 couples karon nga atong mapakasal this coming September 30. So usara gyud sa akong maingon karon sa atong mga exhibitors, sa atong mga partners nga dako kami pasalamat pud sa ilaha because dili po ni mahimong possible ni namo nga event without their support gihapon. Thank you.
Thank you. Last, one question, one follow-up yata. Sa tourism, how to promote tourism with gina-preserve na to ang culture? Culture versus innovation. Unsaon na nato pag-preserve diri sa Northern Mindanao? During sa inyong HTM Congress.
So, hello. So, para po sa pag-preserve po is, so our participants po, sa mga students, we are calling, nag-comment sa mga speaker po na si Miss Aquino. She is a Assistant Secretary of Tourism Development, the Department of Tourism rather. So, para po ma-preserve po is, we share po through her, makabalo po ang mga students on how to preserve while still this karon na century nga nag-innovate na po is still i-inform sila ano gyapon nato sila na saan pag sustain ang atoang culture while still adding out the innovation po.
And last on my follow-up, naaba mo'y mga survey or research or gikandak nga studies why as I go to Cebu for maglaag-laag lang, organize kayo lahang tourism. Like, halinon jud ilang tourism. Daghan kay sila mga foreigner nga mga guest. In Bohol also, nga which is, lagyo man day kayo, kapoy kay siya biyahiun kay, lagyo kay ilang mga tourism spot. Where in Northern Mindanao, pag abot ni mo sa Lagindingan, nanakay, Lagindingan nga beaches, di ba? El Salvador, nanakay Divine Mercy. So nga naman, din sa Northern Mindanao, if ever lang na may studies or observation or plan ninyo to help the tourism, nga mas mabenta ganin nato ato ang turismo, kay hapit tapod ba mag-international ato ang airport sa Lagindingan. Thank you.
Para po ana kay we have subject po sustainable development. So by that po we are encouraged during our second year tagsa each section po sa MOA is nag-adto sa mga municipalities sa mga sa kuan po para mag-conduct of survey is kuan po ang ilahang mga ilahang development po dito doon po. And then after that we then make po a local development plan. And amo pong gipang site po dito sa ilahang strength, ilahang weaknesses, ang ilahang weaknesses po and strength threats, SWOT analysis by that po. And then we then give a kaning opportunities o ilahang unsa po yung mga makita po namo dito sa ilahang municipality po nga pwede i-develop. So kana po amo ang sa tawag ganin amo ang amo pong gi-propose sa ilaha po. Among gi-propose sa ilaha po ang amo ang study sa ilahang municipality. But,
Naay mga solusyon.
yes po, solutions. And,
Sir.
Hello, mic test. So in addition to that po, during sa among second year po, which is the Sustainable Development Tourism, kato po is nag-conduct ni research sa Talisayan, and then we found that Talisayan is ideal for also a tourism sa here in Northern Mindanao. And sa mga nakita po sa Talisayan is that we wanted to innovate the tourism destinations while preserving the culture. So sa gisaid ganin ni Rona is kato nag-present mi sa research po, and then nag-present mi sa tourism sa ilang head po, which is they like the research po sa mo, which is makatarong po sa ilang municipalities. That's all.
Kanang pwede mabalanan sa inyong i-propose sa Talisayan? Like, unsa ba ang katong mga beach resort ba nila or idea? Gusto lang namo mabalaan kung unsa inyong kuan na propose.
For that, ma'am, siguro we will have we will have to another event for that, ma'am, because right now we are focusing about the Congress, the second HTM Congress, which will gather students from different schools and from different schools to also benchmark, ma'am, how to sell good, ma'am, the tourism industry in Northern Mindanao. So by the HTM Congress that will happen this coming September, ma'am, dito nato ma-relay and also maka-benchmark ta with the other schools how to promote hospitality and tourism industry in Northern Mindanao.
Thank you.
Hello, maing hapon, Angie Alsado sa Magnum Radio. Sa katong kaganihan no sa kung sa Love for All Seasons, di ba nga ato nga gusto or ato ang tema nga giparing kamutan nga ma-establish siya karon nga year. Din susi ko sa last year kay katong Crazy Rich Asian. So dinita sa kang Ma'am Starlet Tapabalan. Miss Starlet, no, giunsa pag-conceptualize kanino gikan adto nga concept nag-transition ta niini po nga 4 seasons. So unsa nga creative transition ang inyo yung gihimuan nino nga maka-conceptualize tag ingon ani nga didto lahi biya gyud pud to no kung atong lantawon nga konsepto compared ani pud karon nga daghan pud no ang tutukan pud ninyo kay tanang mga seasons ang inyohang gusto nga ma-present sa inyo pang AKK. Or asa nagsugod nganong naabot ta dinhi nga punto?
For that, ma'am, every year jud lahi gid og concept po, which is last year is the Crazy Rich Asians po. Well, now po, ma'am, is kini siya giplan gid siya through sa mga recommendations sa mga exhibitors, sa mga faculties, nga gihunaw na ginila kung unsa may mga trends karon, kung unsa may need na to i-tackle or need pa nga ipa-showcase sa ato po, which is naka-come up gid sila sa 4 season po, which is the conference sa mga Asians. Yes po.
Unsay challenges nga inyohang na-encounter no nga transitioning sa Crazy Rich Asian dayon na karon upat ka buok ang dapat makita gyud no ma-embody ninyo sa inyo pa din pong theme sa AKK.
One of the challenges, ma'am, this year is that our prenup wardrobe, simply because kanang lahi-lahi man jud og colors ang mga gowns and suits sa amo ang bride. And naay mga wardrobes nga kanang dili nila ma-provide ang among kinahanglan nga colors sa each seasons. That's why challenge kay siya sa amo nga mangita mi og wardrobe nga mo fit siya sa amo ang concepts each season po.
Ang wedding suppliers ninyo nga inyong gitap ani nga mga activities mo ga provide sa ilang mga kaning gamit or ang ato ang mga kuan mismo?
For the
tong
prenup, ma'am, and
beneficiaries?
for our wedding wardrobe, ma'am, they are coming from our sponsors.
Sa unsang paagi na to sila gitagaan og creative freedom or limitations po hangtod asa ang pwede nilang buhaton no nga ma-materialize ang ilang gusto po no nga ma-showcase per couple sa ila po din pong mga seasons nga or sa in charge nga season po nila.
So, since we have 22 couples, ma'am, we divided our 22 couples into 4 into 4 seasons because we have 4 concepts, ma'am. We have summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Then, after we divided our couples, ma'am, that was the time na pod nga mangita na pod mi og amo ang wardrobe. Each wardrobe, ma'am, naa sila designated concepts.
So kamo nag-plaster sa mood board para sa ilaha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. So kaning ilahang tanang suoton, kuan siya, free para sa
Yes,
ilaha?
ma'am. All
Tanan.
of our 22 couples, ma'am, wala sila'y gastuhon. This will be shouldered on us.
Okay, thank you. Dini sa kalimut ko. Tang sa HTM Congress no, si Miss Rona o si Miss Shania no, depende sa inyo kinsay magtubag. Kaginiya na mention nga naay mga estudyante across Northern Mindanao. Unsa kadaghan natong gi-expect nga mosalmot ninyo og nana ba tay mga initial nga nag-commit nga mga eskwelahan nga nag-offer sa same nga kurso nga inyo hapong gitake karon?
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, we would like to sincerely express our gratitude for all of you for coming here. So, on our HTM Congress, we expect 2,000 participants from HTM, from Hospitality and Tourism Management students sa lain-lain na schools here in Northern Mindanao. So, in day 1, we have the 1,000 students from outside COC. So mao ni siya ang mga schools na kanang naadiri sa Northern Mindanao. And for our day 2, ma'am, we have the first year HTM students from PhilMA COC. That will be all. Thank you.
So gawas itong mga speakers po din po ninyo no. Unsay i-expect gawas nga madabangan sila madungagan lang kay balo kay na may gipang invite nga mga nasa industry gid pod mismo na bay mga samat kaning competitions or mga activities no nga engaging pod nga sila mismo mahimong hands-on pod ang atong mga participants niini nga mga estudyante.
So for our Congress, ma'am, so we have 3 topics po. And by that po, maka-learn sila and also we will have an interactive question and answer po. And ana po na time is they will be having freedom to ask questions sa mga speakers po namo.
Okay. Sa kala na sa NMSB sa overall, di ba? Kaning curious lang kay ko kay sa akong pag-eskwela wala ko ka experience sa inyo nani. So kaning sa inyong bahin ba no? Dako ang obligation or responsibility para sa inyo ha. Giunsa ninyo pag kaning himo no sa pagplano gid nining tanan nga mahimong plaster like karon no coming from Menzi, nag-ingon siya nga, kuan gid kayo, maay kay inyo ha gani pong karon sa activity lang karon nga adlaw, how much more sa umaabot. So nahanay ninyo unsa ninyo ni nga mahimo gyud pud nga plaster pud no nga lain-lain ba pud pangutok kamong mga naa karon sa panel. So para mahimong organize ni unsa nga pamaagi pod ang nahimong way para sa inyo nga karon sa initial sa media launching pa lang daan na pakita na ninyo ang katakos pod ninyo no sa pagbuhat nining usa ka dakong event dili lamang para sa mga estudyante ug para pod no sa atuang mga naa sa tourism and hospitality industry.
Hello ma'am, may hapon. So, nagsugod gud me at the very first na pag-planning usa jud na sa pinaka importante when making an events ang atong pag-planning. After our planning, we delegate tasks kay dili pwedeng ang isa daghan og gidala, so kinahanglan mabahin na mo ang task. And also, pasalamat pud mi sa among mga instructors na ningtabang gyud ning guide sa amo all throughout andud karon nga kanina first major event manina mo ang media launching nga mahimong successful. Sa inana nga pamagi ma'am, pinaka number 1 gyud is ang planning.
Okay, pero dako bag portion pod nga nagid mo freedom pod sa pag-organize aning mga events or kuan lang gyud na kaning
Yes ma'am, because the instructors garelay pod sila sa mga ideas sa mga student leaders and also the student organizers for these events ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Kudos sa inyo ha.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, guys. So I am DJ Leia Ilongga from Win Radio Cagayan de Oro. So nakoy some of my friends asking manggod no about sa kanang requirements about sa kung gusto sila magpakasal next year or karong nga year kay ano kanang unsay mga requirements or mga qualifications sa couple nga dapat naa sa ila para unsa sila kanang qualified sila as a couple.
So thank you for your question, ma'am. The first requirement, ma'am, is that the couple must have 10,000 minimum of salary every month for both or below. And also, ma'am, dapat wala pa sila nakasal. It's either sa West ba, ma'am? And then they must be 23 years old above. And they must be a bona fide residents of Cagayan de Oro City, and they must be living for 10 years and above, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So dili gyud ko pwede di ay.
20 years old.
19 pa manggod ko. Bitaw. Sa HTM Congress na pod, kanang second year di ba ninyo karon? So, third year na karon. Second year sa event. Second year sa event. So aside sa kanang namoy mga guest speakers na na involved sa inyong program sa event, unsa pay dapat atangan sa mga guest ninyo or sa kanang katong mga students nga gi-invite ninyo sa event ninyo. Aside sa katong mga speakers, unsa pay mga events?
So aside sa mga events po, we have also a exhibition po. And ang ada po na exhibition, maka-learn po ang mga students through kuan jud kanang actual jud bitaw ma'am, maka-engage sila with actual exhibitors or establishments, companies related to tourism and hospitality po.
Sa overall event head, sir, paano ni mo gi-handle, sir, this kaning expo kasaling-kasalan, isa man gud niya siya sa dili gud siya isa sa sa big event, no? Mao gud niya siya ang big event gud siya sa sa ato ang student life diri sa college life nato sa FINBA Cagayan de Oro College. So paano ni mo gi-handle tanan, sir, kay naman gid sa imong hatanan ang ka-stress sa imong mga kauban nga kanang pakahoy-kahoy lang, di ba? Paano ni mo gi-handle, sir?
Thank you, ma'am, no? From one of the pioneer of the AKK. kuan gyud ma'am, pag-delegate gyud na mo sa task. Diha gyud kay dili mo gud dili pwede nga kanang imong una-una bitaw ma'am gatuyok sa tanan kay dili naman nagyud kayo ma-miss. Kay dili man you know, we are not perfect. So dagi tayo malimtan. So kinahanglan jud i-delegate ang task. So morning na ay mga na assistant leaders, na mga committees, na tay mga gidelegate nga mga kanang mga parehas sa tong couples na sila couples assistant. So kay para for example kanina couples na siya kauban maglakaw sa mga papers like this and that. So inana jud ma'am pinaka-importante jud nga dili suluhan ang trabaho i-delegate gid ang task.
Thank you. Congrats in advance, guys.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. And congrats sa inyong event. So ako pangutana is simple lang, pero na-curious lang ko and I love the theme. Why man ang theme is summer, winter, spring, and fall? And why man 22 ka-couples?
Again, ma'am, gaina po, nag-iyon ko nga, ang first season na come up na siya through recommendations sa mga exhibitors and the faculties pag nila pagkamot nila ng idea. And also, ma'am, nganong 22 na siya karon, ma'am, is we want to expand and a lot of couples jud na ay mga qualified jud siya and want to be part jud sa among kasalan po. So that's why nag-exceed big 22 na kabuok karon po.
Okay.
And then actually ma'am karon po is nami pinaka longest nga living together which is 20 years na good. So we are so grateful nga sa sa amo gid pud sila nakapakasal po which is kami makapakasal po and also kato mga deserving nga couple most should siya ang nakam up na mo po. That's why.
Okay, and about sa HTM Congress, unsa yung mga preparation and open to all ba ni or dapat HTM nga student lang yun siya in Northern Mindanao?
So, ang kanipong HTM Congress is focused lang po siya sa hospitality and tourism students across Northern Mindanao po. So, among gi-prepare po ana is first is we plan on what to prepare and then we invite exhibitors, speakers po, and then we also invited our participants across Northern Mindanao. We give them invitation letter and I think that's, do you have?
So, ang among aim gyud to the second HTM Congress, ma'am, is kanang ang mga students na mo join kay ma-providean sila og opportunities to learn, connect with other people na ilang ma-meet during event, and also gain inspiration for their future careers.
Okay. So, maura to kong pangatana and congrats ay na magdugang pa ka.
So, in addition po, we also nagtapod mi po sa CHED, sa Department of CHED po.
So yeah, thank you and congrats!
Nay panultihon manggod karon ba nga or stronger nations coming from the strong family. So I personally appreciate you daning program ninyo as organizer sa kining mais no kay dili raman wedding other pod nga mga events. Ang kini lang ako diri karon no ma'am sir sa panelist by the way Janard Ganapin from Strong Radio 90.3 FM. Sa ato ang mga wedding suppliers close na ta if ever nga adunay mo gusto pa gyud mo join kay especially karon maning kwan asa ra sila mo contact then asa sila mo duol ani close na.
As of now, sir, our exhibitors is already full, but we will be opening next year po.
Okay, oh. Okay, sige. Thank you. So, gato sa balikan din to nako, no, sir, sa katong 22 couples ba? Nana ba tay target sa karong gyud nga year until sa December katong 22 couples karon lang ba to nga year gyud or napag-gyud ta gi-consider pod nato nga naana tay ma-determine nga mga underprivileged nga couples nga mopasa sa mga giandam po ninyo nga mga qualifications?
Ay, good afternoon, sir. Yes, atong 22 couples is final na jud na sila. Na-register na sad nato sila for their marriage license, all their requirements. So, karong September 30 pohon, mo na gyud ang official wedding day sa ato ang 22 couples.
Karon lang nga year, sir.
Yes, karon na year. Just for this year. Next year, basin, we expand because our industry is still expanding also.
Thank you so much and congratulations, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. As a graduate with co tourism, 10 years ago, chef, instructor na ako 10 years ago. So, kakandak pod mig event before, which is entitled Kasalan, Kasaling Binyagan. So, dungan na siya. By morning is the binyag, then after na then is the wedding. So, as you can see, president po ko sa tourism before, El Turismo Circulo. Wala pa mag HTM before. So, based sa mga previews nato nga mga expo, mga events, curious lang ko, what makes this expo unique compare sa before nato nga mga activities? Naabay siya mga upgrades or mga changes from the previous?
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. So, what this event makes unique, ma'am, is, one siya, ma'am, wala lang siya nakafocus sa isa ka event, ma'am, which isa ka theme, which is upat gud siya ang among gikuan, ma'am, which is dili siya sa iyon i-handle. Kay tungod, upat ka book theme, ma'am, amo ang ginabuhat, which is the 4 season. So, sa mua, ma'am, as a leader, ma'am, so, nag-initiate good me, ma'am. Nagunahon na gimig ayo, ma'am, kung unsaon na mo siya pag-handle ani nga event, ma'am. Kay tungod, ang saon na is naka-focus ang gid sila sa isa. So karon is more kwan gid siya, ma'am, kanang hassle gid siya. Kay tungod, dagan gid ang mo ang ginahuna-huna gid, ma'am.
And in addition, ma'am, this year we are opening, expanding, and as you can see, ma'am, this year po is we'll start the media launching. This is one of the addition, one of the highlights also for this year's Expo, the Expo Kasaling Kasalan, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball, and the HCM Congress. This is one of the added highlights, the media launching also.
And for addition, ma'am, we all know, ma'am, every year, ma'am, is unique jud siya, ma'am. But ang karon, ma'am, is kuha lang ka ng level up lang jud siya, ma'am. Pangita, ma'am, kung unsa pa'y nindot nga event nga ibutang ana nga kuan po every year, ma'am.
In addition lang, unsa inyo hang makonsider nga greatest achievement ninyo sa pag-conduct ani nga event?
Repeat, ma'am.
Achievement ninyo. Murag ka nang ika-proud ninyo nga na-conduct ninyo successfully nga event.
Okay, ma'am. Aside sa as a student of FINMA Cagayan de Oro College, ma'am, Department of Hospitality and Tourism Management, ma'am, proud mi nga mahimo mi product sa umaabot, ma'am. But ang among ika-proud karon, ma'am, is kanang nakatabang mi sa mga couples, ma'am, nga
nakatabang mi sa mga couples, ma'am, nga dili nila kaya magpakasal, and also, ma'am, along the way, our learnings, ma'am. Because while preparing and organizing this event, ma'am, daghan kaayo mi learnings nga na hibalaan and na-encounter.
So, proven yun siya nga experience is the best teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, mayong hapon. I'm Romel Agumbay from LA Creative Events and one of the exhibitor aning Kasaling Kasalan. So I was just wondering if unsaon ninyo pag since 'di ba every year naatay most mga reward 'di ba? Mga most decorated booth, mga best booth, mga inana. So as exhibitor lugar unsaon ninyo or curious lang ko ha, pwede ninyo i-spill ang tea. Unsaon ninyo pag-judge having these 4 concepts sa mga booth na ma-decorate sa itong mga exhibitors? Since, di ba, 4 concepts siya. Unsaon ninyo siya pag-judge? Who are the judges? And na ba mo'y criteria for judging for that? Well, dili man ko interested, but I'm speaking out of my colleagues.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
For that, sir, is nag-look pa mi og kanang judges, sir. For now, it's because man jud, sir, is dili jud siya kanang asayon nga theme gyud, sir, which is wala siya naka-focus gyud sa isa. So maglisod gyud ang mga judges nato. So sa atong exhibitors gipod, sir, is gina-look forward nato, sir, nga maput nila ang upat ka theme, sir, which is the 4 season sa ilang booth kay para makuan ang pag-judge sa atong mga judges, sir.
And also, sir, dili dyan na mo giwala ang fact na we are looking for judges within the HTM industry. Dili lang dyan minangita o bisan kinsa nga mga judges because we know that the people within the industry really knows the 4 seasons. And also, with that, sir, we are still working on our criterias. And I know the exhibitors are excited for the criterias and the judges that we are going to unveil puhon. So that's all, sir. Thank you.
All right, so follow-up question. Since wala pa, kamulo pa, padulong ana nga part, how are you going to make some criteria for those exhibitor na isa lang ka booth ang gikuha? Because limited ang iyang decor sa iyang booth.
Ang pag-decorate sa kanang booth, sir, is dili na siya ga-base kung unsa ka dako, kung unsa ka gamay ang imuhang booth, sir. Ang importante, sir, is na napakita nimo kung unsa ang 4 seasons, sir. Sa bisan gamay nga kanang space, maipakita nimo, sir, kung unsa jud ang concept sa to ang theme for this year po.
Okay. So at least clear sa itong mga exhibitor na they are not, this is not limited only for big booth, but a challenge also for only one booth. Okay, thank you.
To our media outlets and exhibitors, may I respectfully ask if you still have more questions to ask for our leaders?
That was very engaging discussion.
Now, thank you to everyone who shared their questions and insights during the question and answer, and of course in our open forum.
To our media partners, exhibitors, faculty leaders, and guests, we appreciate your active participation. Your question help us clarify our vision, strengthen our commitment for 2026.
We hope that this discussion gave everyone a clearer understanding of the Expo Kasaling Kasalan, the Northern Mindanao Suppliers Ball, and the second HTM Congress 2026. Now, before we proceed, we would like to take this moment to recognize the organizations that made this event possible.
As we gather today, we are grateful to be supported by such an exceptional community.
To our sponsors, the House of Portraits. Casa di Manipua. Cachet Creative Group. Higuera Service. MJ Resort. Series 1 Media Production. Like a Tulaco since 2018. Everfresh Dental Hub.
Salon and Rocky, Signature Touch. Jairi Events. Basic Consumer Brand Solutions. Creation Fruit Crafts. Metro 360 Speed Protocol.
Alpha Gowns. Luna Gala Resort Hotel and Restaurant. Diamond Logistics and Customs Brokerage. JNY Trucking Services. RJR Engineering Consultancy and Services. Cagayan Educational Supply. Deluxe Hotel in Cagayan de Oro. Nature Spring. Cruisers Beach Resort and Pond. Cooking Coffee House and Breakfast Bar. Party Cards Famous House. Emmy's Sarsari Store. Billiard Labs Ultra Purified Drinking Water. Hikalai Sign. Win Radio. DXCC 828. Combo Radio. Brigada News FM Cagayan de Oro. Mindanao Daily News. 89.3 FM Studio. Strong Radio 90.3. RMN Networks Power Local. Mandong Radio.
Soundstar Audio and Visual. King's Catering Services. Five Films.
And to our partners, media industry and academic partners, thank you for your collaboration, your expertise, and your commitment to help us bring this vision to life. Thank you to all our sponsors and partners for believing in us and for being part of this journey. Now, before we end this program, let us hear something to our event director and one of the TOU 083 introduction to meetings, incentive, conferences, and exhibition instructor, Sir Rusty Jean Carino, MSHN.
afternoon, dear media partners, our exhibitors, and our vloggers, and also the people who are watching live at the FINMA Cagayan de Oro Hospitality and Tourism Management page. So thank you for coming for our media launching. I hope you've learned something for our organizers. These are the third-year students, no? Sila ang nagmugna ani na event. And we're very proud kay the ideas is coming from these students, no? So let's give an applause for everyone who are here today. Dagang salamat tayo. And also to our lights and sound provider, the Soundstorm, and also our live streams, Series 1, and the venue, Garcia Residence. Thank you so much for accommodating us. So thank you.
At this time, we'd reach our final part of our program. To formally close this afternoon's event, may we call on to deliver the closing remarks, Ma'am Gerald May K. Ratnap and SHM.
Hey everyone, mabuhay. As we come to the end of this media launching, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. Our third-year organizers, our media partners, sponsors, guests, and everyone who shared their time and support with us today. This launching marks not only the beginning of a new chapter, but also an opportunity to build stronger connections, share meaningful stories, and reach more people through the power of media and communication. Once again, thank you for being part of this important occasion. May this media launching be the beginning of many successful opportunities and meaningful connections. Thank you so much, everyone, and mabuhay.
Thank you for those inspiring closing remarks, Ma'am Gerald May K. Ragmac, MHM. Now may I request everyone to please stand for the singing of Vinma hymn.
Panaginip ay natatangi, nagniningning ang ating
To everyone who's here, thank you for your commitment, time, effort, and believing in us in organizing and handling the 3 major event this year's.
Once again, this is Laurelyn May from Rocket.
This is Godfrey Bibilio, your Masters of Ceremony. See you this September 28, 29, and 30. Thank you and mabuhay!